Feeling good?
Yeah. Double detox to. How about you, little brother? What do you want to order? What do you want to order?
Salita kayo. Salita kayo. Liam. Tulog na naman. Yan na, kaya magsalita. Ikaw na magsalita, ikaw na.
Hi! Hello guys, today we're gonna go Hortons.
Yes.
Let's go!
Ano nga, what do you want to order?
I want to order a ice cream.
Ice cream again? Let's go.
Because I didn't eat a ice cream yet.
Yeah. Ikaw, anong order mo?
Double. Dika.
What about you?
I'll take anything that catches my eye.
Let's go.
Oh,
Yes. Sorry. Thank you, sir. Hello. Thank you. Order ka. Sa akin, caramel, ice caramel. Regular size lang.
sleeping.
Magkano? Uy, ayos. Mura lang. Wait lang.
Nag-burger tayo. Tignan mo. Mura ng burger dito. 599.
Okay lang yan.
I smell
Ano?
Oh, wait lang. Order lang tayo. Wait lang. Okay.
I want this one.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, sige, tell to mama. What's that? This one? Huh? This one?
Or this one.
Oh, white birthday cake. Hindi.
Or this.
Oh, tell to mama. Come on, let's go. Umiyak. Lagi daw sa kanya.
Alin? Lidl naman. Lidl Gloucester.
Mama.
May iba naman para hindi laging Cinderford. Diba?
Kakasawa
Ano
sa
kaya?
likod.
Paano naman? Paano yun?
What?
Panik-kilig.
Ayun o. Mga halaman. Wow, malaki yung bakery nila dito. Bigger Lidl. In Gloucester. Do you like anything, guys? For the food later.
Ang daming kusong po.
Yeah, croissant. 59 pence lang. Very cheap. Very cheap.
Yan, dito market.
Uy, ang daming sale, oh. Pick of the week. Cabbage, 49 pence.
Ang cheap naman.
Kuha tayo. Kuha ka na ng basket. Ni, nagpabuhat. Oy.
Dito tayo sa...
Saan? Sa ice cream.
Ayan po ka ng ice cream. Oh. Ito?
Yes. Parang cornetto sa atin. £1.99. Tsaka parang Magnum yan, no? Magnum naman yan. Ay, melon nice. Oh, ice cream. Malamig pero masarap mag-ice cream.
Ayan na. Pwede na yan, love.
Green? Yeah. Okay. Because the chosen
Tingnan baby.
Yeah.
Tingnan
Let's go pay na. Ano naman?
Love. Oh. Ang ganda yung Lidl dito. Ha? Dito na lang tayo lumipat, no?
Ha, Gloucester?
Oo.